Hello everyone, today we are excited to introduce 3 PoE Outdoor Extender products designed for harsh environments. These products feature industrial-grade quality inside and out, with options single-port high-speed transmission and dual-port flexible networking. From freezing cold to scorching heat, the IP67 rated corrosion-resistant housing keeps your devices stable connected in any environment, supporting Cat 5e and Cat 6 cables. Each extender extends 100 meters on up to 500 meters with multiple level cascading. The 2.5 gigabits per second model is specially built for high-definition video and data-intensive applications, with built-in 6 kV surge and ESD protection, plus automatic overcurrent shut-off. Your device and network links are fully safeguarded. The dual model powers 2 devices simultaneously, with true plug-and-play convenience, making outdoor networking easier and more efficient than ever. For more details, check out our website link down below. See you next time.